Okay, so we are in step 3. Here we added our motion detector, the PIR sensor. Now we would like to see what kind of new line of code we added into the sketch. So the first one is a new global variable declaration that will help us to know where the PIR sensor is connected. It's connected to pin 12 in our case. And a new variable that is called PIR state that will help us to update the PIR sensor state all the time. We will see how we are going to use that in the sketch itself. Now I will scroll down. Looking on the setup function, you will see that I added some delay that will help the PIR sensor to learn the environment. Okay, when you are turning up the system with the PIR sensor, you need to let the sensor to learn the environment. You just need to apply some delay time. I already play with that a little bit, so I know that in that case a 10-second is enough. And when it's finished, looking on the serial monitor screen, you see that the system is ready, and of course it will be able to detect a motion. Now I will scroll down to the loop function. I just added a new function that is called check PIR, and now we'll see that new function check PIR will go down. That's the new function. The logic is simple. So we are reading using the digital read function the status of the PIR sensor in case it's equal to high, meaning the PIR sensor sense some motion and it will raise the signal level. And in that case, we will first turn on all the LED and we will check the PIR state value, because when the sensor is detecting some motion, it will keep the signal high for some period. Okay, something that you can adjust manually using a potentiometer on the PIR module and decide how long the signal will be high. Now, during this time, you don't want to switch the LED on and off all the time. So this is why we are using the PIR state. And if that's the first time that the motion is detected, meaning the previous of the PIR state is equal to low, then I'm printing to the screen motion detected and change that to high. If I will scroll down to the under the else options, then of course when the digital read is returning low, then in that case I will turn off all the LED. And if the PIR state was high, meaning going down from high to low, meaning the motion is ended, and we would print that in the screen and change the PIR state back to low. That's all. That's the code that we need to use while using PIR sensor. Another thing I would like to show you is the serial monitor screen. So if I will run that, okay, I already upload the sketch into the board, and now I'm getting some message that help me to let know that the system is initializing, and I'm getting the message system is ready. Now if I will pass my hand near the PIR sensor, I will get a message motion detected, and after some period I will get motion ended. I will do that again, motion detected, motion ended. Very simple. Now we will see that on top of the board itself.